Standard 10 Maths 1 Problem Set 3 11th sum. If the first term of an AP is A, the second term is B and the last term C, then show that the sum of the terms of the AP is A plus C into B plus C minus 2A upon 2 into B minus A. Now in this question, we'll write what is given. First term of an AP is A. So first term is T1 is equal to A. Second term B, so T2 is B. And the last term is C, that is Tn is equal to C. This is given. Then show that, what do we have to show that? Sum of the terms means Sn of the AP is this. So we have to show that Sn is equal to A plus C into B plus C minus 2A upon 2 into B minus A. Now to show that this, we have to use two formulas, Sn formula and Tn formula. Now Sn formula is n by 2 in the square bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and Tn formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. Now if we'll use the Sn formula, we should know the value of n, A and D. Now we know the value of A, that is the first term is A. D is the difference, common difference, and D is equal to T2 minus T1 is B minus A. Okay, so we know the value of D, but we don't know the value of C. So we'll use this formula to find out the value of n. Here we know the value of A and D, but we don't know the value of n. So we'll use this Tn formula, because in this we know the Tn value, that is C. A is the first term, that is A, and D is the common difference, that is a B minus A. So first we'll use this Tn formula and find out the value of n, and that value, n value, A value and D value will substitute here to find out this. So we'll start with the Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now Tn is the last term, that is C. This is first term is A only. This is n minus 1, and D is a common difference, B minus A. Now first I'll bring this plus C on this side, so it will become, plus A will become minus A, C minus A, and this I'll write as it is, n minus 1, B minus A. Now I'll bring this B minus A to the denominator of C minus A. Now n minus 1, instead of writing on right side, I'm writing on the left side. N minus 1 is equal to C minus A upon B minus A. So I'll bring this plus on that side. So n will become C minus A upon B minus A plus 1. Now we'll add this fraction, so it will become C minus A. We'll cross multiply this, B minus A upon B minus A. Therefore n is equal to C plus B, and minus A will become minus 2A. So I'm writing B plus C minus 2A upon B minus A. So this is the value of n. Now in the Sn formula, we'll substitute the n value, A value and D value. N value we have got here, B plus C minus 2A upon B minus A. So this value for the n will substitute here. This is B plus C minus 2A upon B minus A. This is n value, and denominator is upon 2, so that upon 2 will come over here. So I'm writing equal to sign this side. So this is 2 A is a first term, that is A itself, plus n minus 1. Instead of writing n value and then minus 1, here we have got the n minus 1 value. If you'll see here n minus 1 is equal to C minus A upon B minus A. So for the n minus 1, I am writing this C minus A upon B minus A. And the D value is B minus A. Now B minus A will get cancelled. This 2, we have to make the reciprocal of this. This is B plus C minus 2A upon B minus A into 1 upon 2 in the bracket 2A and plus C minus A. Now this will become B plus C minus 2A. This 2 I am writing together with B minus A, and in the bracket this 2A minus A is A plus C. So we had to prove the same thing, A plus C, B plus C minus 2A upon 2 minus A. Therefore we got the Sn value. Therefore Sn is equal to A plus C, I am writing first, B plus C minus 2A upon 2 B minus A.